Good morning, Tube, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is MLK Day, guys. I expect it to be busy. I'm headed to the shop right now.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just calling. You know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
So this morning I woke up. You know, last night we stayed out late. Me and Raul, we went out to go see, to go do the look and learn with Chris Bossio and Shannon S Craft Blend. It was amazing. It was fun. It was good. You know, learned a lot. Got to talk to those guys. It was fun networking with them. But today's another day. Today's MLK Day, so you know, it's gonna be busy, and it's just me and J-Lo working, so we expect it to be very busy. To give you guys an update on my disaster at my home, got some good news this morning. Really good news. It's not a slab leak that I have, which I thought I had, which was gonna be more expensive and harder to take care of. It ended up being a tub leak. It's still leaking, but you know, it's in the tub, so it's a lot better than it being underground and I have to dig it out and to show the company. We're gonna be displaced for a few weeks probably at my home, but you know what? It is what it is. We're gonna do what we can and just grind on. You know what I mean? It'll work out. I know it will. We just gotta keep doing what we're doing, but you know, just give you guys an update on that. Things worked out on that situation so far, but you know, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. But you know, I mean, we're still gonna be out of our house for a little while. But you know what? It is what it is. And you know what? And you can't sit there and cry over spilt milk. You gotta, you know, bob and weave with the punches and continue to move on. So I'm gonna go get inside, get started on this day, guys, and we'll see what's up. All right, grind on. Would you want Bella to be a barber?
Yes. That'd be pretty cool. Wouldn't you?
I wouldn't mind, but you gotta give her option to do something first.
Let's ask her that question. I asked her already, and she said that she wants to be a barber. I said, you don't want to be a doctor? And she goes, no, I like to be a barber.
That's kind of cool. One? That's one of?
Yeah.
Clean fade. Who taught you how to fade?
You.
There it is. J-Lo Lady Barber. Follow her, guys. She gets down. Taught you how to fade like that.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it for today. That's it for this week. This week is over. Me and J-Lo, my daughter, we had a great day today. Super slam busy. Of course, we expected it. It was funny because this morning it was kind of slow. We came in here and we were kind of sitting around for the first hour and a half, and just, you know, I was doing paperwork and stuff like that, but I was just telling her, like, man, it's weird. It's not really busy today. And then I told her, she told me that. And I told her, I go, relax, because, you know what? Everybody's probably still asleep. Day off today. So, you know, they're not going to come in and rush in here early in the morning. So sure enough, by 10 o'clock, we were slam busy. Stayed busy the whole day. Ended up being an incredible day today. I think I did like 16 haircuts. So, you know, we just stayed straight busy all day long, just me and her. So, probably should have brought another person in, but you know, it worked out good. It was for the better. There goes my air compressor. Hold on a second, okay? There we go. So anyway, this week, tomorrow is gonna be weird. I have tomorrow's my day off. I'm gonna let you guys know what's in on it. I still gotta meet up with the insurance company tomorrow. Try to get this claim pushed forward. Now that I know it's not a slab leak, I know it's a tub leak, so I gotta get that fixed. But I need the insurance company to see it first, so they can see what the damages have been made. So hopefully we get a claim started and get everything fixed up. This week's gonna be a crazy week coming up. Next Monday, a week from tonight, as you guys know, I still battle in the barber battle. So next week is the IC barber battle in Long Beach. I've already been doing this. This is gonna be my 4th year competing. I don't know. Some people say, somebody told me the other day, you're too old to be doing that. I like doing it. It's my thing, you know. I like competing. I like the adrenaline rush. I like the I don't know. I just like it. I won once. It was cool. I want to win again. So that's why I go back. But it's fun. Plus, I get to network with all the young barbers. I'm going to be passing out my YouTube cards so that they know I have a YouTube channel. And just try to go out there and network with all the youngsters and try to get, you know, just get my name out there. Get the YouTube channel out there. So that's how you got to do it, guys. It's the way I network my barbershop is the same way I'm networking my YouTube channel. You got to push it out there. Got to get it going. That way you get the ball rolling, you know. You want things to happen, you got to make them happen. So that's it for today, guys. This day is over. This week is over. So tomorrow, I already have another tutorial that I'm going to be uploading. I haven't uploaded it because I've been saving it for the day off, which is tomorrow. So I'm going to upload it for you. It's another good tutorial on a slick back razor fade. So keep an eye out for that. And I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button and click the little bell so you get the notifications every time we post a new video. We appreciate you guys watching. Grind on, guys. If you guys ain't working, come on, man. Get out there. Get that license. Do this. If you're going to be a barber, you need a license, guys. You guys have a blessed night. Grind on.